In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Google Ads dashboard. Start by heading to your Google Ads account. When the dashboard opens, it can feel busy, but once you know where everything lives, it becomes a powerful control center for your campaigns. At the top, you'll find the Accounts area. This is where you can view all the accounts you manage, switch between them quickly, or link new accounts if you work with multiple clients or brands. A simple tip here is to use clear account names and check access levels so the right people see the right data. Next, the Campaigns tab is where you'll spend most of your time. Here you'll see each campaign along with key metrics like clicks, impressions, cost, and conversions. Use the date range and filters to narrow your view and customize columns so you're looking at the numbers that matter to your goals. Click into a campaign to access ad groups and the individual ads inside. Ad groups help you organize keywords and ads around tight themes, which improves relevance and performance. As you review performance, look for trends in click-through rate, cost per click, and conversion rate to guide your optimizations. The Goals or Conversions section is where you define success. Whether it's purchases, sign-ups, or calls, set up conversion tracking so you can measure what truly drives value. Accurate tracking is essential. Without it, automated bidding and optimization can't work effectively. Once your conversions are set, monitor their status to ensure they're recording properly and aligned with your objectives. In Tools and Settings, you'll find the features that help you plan and optimize. The keyword planning tools can uncover new search terms and estimate traffic. Audience targeting lets you reach people based on interests, behaviors, or remarketing lists. Analytics, integrations, and reports help you understand user journeys, and automated bidding strategies can adjust bids in real time to hit your targets once you have sufficient data. The Billing section keeps your finances in order. Here you can manage payment methods, download invoices, and track spend. It's a good idea to review budgets and set alerts so you don't overspend and you pace your campaigns appropriately throughout the month. Finally, the Admin or Account Settings area gives you control over user access, permissions, notifications, and preferences. Keep your account organized, grant only the access that's needed, and choose notification settings that keep you informed without clutter. By confidently navigating these sections, you'll be able to create campaigns, monitor performance, optimize for conversions, manage billing, and scale your advertising efforts, all from one centralized dashboard.